a group of two or more consonants that appear together in a word, but each keep their own sound. So these blends are found at the end of the word. Now, let's look at our first example. What color is this? What do you think? What color is this? So this color is pink. Excellent. Very good. Did you hear that word? Let's say it one more time. Pink. Excellent. So in this word, at the end of the letter, we have N and we have K. And these two letters make an ending blend. So then we pronounce this word as P, E, N, K. Did you hear that? Let's repeat that one more time. So we have P, E, N, K. Very, very good. So let's see some more examples. Who can tell me what this is? Who can tell me what this is? This is a hand. Excellent. So this is a hand. Do you hear the ending blend at the end of this word? So here, the letters N and D make a blend that together in the word, they're sounded out as hand. Okay? Listen very closely and repeat after me. Hand. Excellent. Very, very good. Now, what about this? Who can tell me what this is? So, who can tell me what this is? This is a plant. Excellent. Very good. Do you hear the ending blend here? In this word, we have the letters N and T, and they make a blend together. Together, at the end of the word, they're pronounced as nt. Okay? So we call this a plant. Very good. So repeat after me. This is a plant. Excellent. Very good. So let's look at our next example. Who can tell me what this is? What is this? This is an animal. Very, very good. And he is a skunk. Excellent. Oh, did you hear that? At the end of the word, what do we have? Skunk. Very good. So here, at the end of this word, we have the letters N and K. And they're pronounced together as an ending blend as NK. Okay? So, let's try that one more time. What is this? It's a skunk. Very, very good. It's a skunk. Excellent. Okay. And what about this? What about this? I can see sometimes frogs living here. What do you think this is? What do you think? This is a pond. Excellent. Very, very good. Now listen very, very closely. Pond. Very good. So here, at the end of the word, the letters N and D make an ending blend, and we pronounce this as nud. Okay? So again, what is this? This is a pond. Excellent. So let's do that one more time. Repeat after me. Pond. Very, very good. Let's look at one more example. Okay, now, can you read the last example for me? What do you think? What is this? What is this? This is a bank. Very, very good. So this is a bank. Excellent. Can you hear the ending blend in this word? So here we have N and K. Together they make NK. Excellent. So then this is a bank. Very, very good. Very good. Now let's look at some example sentences. You have to go to the bank. Excellent. Very good. Let's say that word one more time. Bank. Excellent. Okay. Our next example sentence is the skunk smells bad. He smells bad. So what is this again? Can you say it with me? Skunk. Excellent. Very, very good. The next example sentence is, can you give me a hand? Very good. So can you give me a hand? Excellent. Very good. Now, frogs. Where do frogs live? Frogs live in a pond. Excellent. How is this pronounced? Let me hear you. Pond. Very good. One more time. This is a pond. Excellent. Now, how about you? Can you try to read this next sentence? Very good. So how would we say this? Mom bought me a plant. Excellent. What is this? Let's say it one more time. So this is a plant. Very good. Did you hear the ending blend in this word? So here, N and T make an ending blend that together they're pronounced as NT. So this is a plant. Excellent. Very good. So remember, blends are a group of consonants that keep their own sound but are sounded out together. And ending blends appear at the end of the word. Thank you very much and see you next time.